Today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. To do this, you're going to need
1 large egg, salt, butter, flour, baking soda, sugar, brown sugar, chocolate chips, and vanilla.
First, you're going to need to preheat the oven to 375. While waiting for your oven to preheat, we can start by mixing in our wet ingredients. You get half a cup of softened butter and put it in the bowl. After adding your softened butter, you want to add some sugar, brown sugar. We're going to add half a cup of sugar, a fourth a cup of brown sugar. Now you use a fork to cream them all together. So it's going to look something like this. It's nice and soft and creamy. After that, we're going to add in 1 large egg, some vanilla. We're going to add in half a teaspoon of it. So you just mix it in. And in the end, it's going to look like this. Now we're going to add 1 1/3 cups of flour into our other bowl for dry ingredients. We're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. We're going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. We stir it, all the dry ingredients together. So once you're done stirring all the dry ingredients, it will look like this, nice and blended together. After that, we're going to stir it into our liquid until it's blended. After mixing it all together like this, you're going to stir in 1 cup of chocolate chips. So you just add chocolate chips and just stir it up in. So now your cookie dough is ready. Now you're going to take a cookie sheet like this. You're just going to take them to the oven now. Now we're going to put the cookies in the oven that's at 375 that we preheated before. We just slide them in there. So after we put them in there, you set a timer for 8 minutes and we'll see what happens then. Do you hear that? That means the cookies are ready. Now the cookies look ready, don't you think? A nice golden color. Careful and take it out. Delicious.